In this video, you'll learn how to connect Vimeo to Google Drive so you can upload videos directly from your cloud storage into your Vimeo account. This is really handy if you already back up your footage to Drive and want a smooth, organized workflow without downloading and re-uploading files. Let's start from inside Vimeo. First, open Vimeo in your web browser and sign into your account. You can use any modern browser, but for the best experience, make sure it's up to date. Once you're logged in, look toward the top of the Vimeo interface for the option to create or add something new. You'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that. When you click New, a small menu will appear, and one of the choices will be Upload. This is the option you want because it controls how you bring new video files into Vimeo. Click Upload, and Vimeo will take you to the upload page. On the upload page, Vimeo normally expects you to upload files directly from your computer. However, there's also an option to bring in media from cloud storage. Look for the option that says Import from cloud storage. This tells Vimeo that instead of using a file stored locally on your device, you want to import a file that already lives in an online storage service. Click Import from cloud storage, and Vimeo will display the services it can connect to. Among these options, you should see Google Drive. This is what allows Vimeo to talk directly to your Drive account. Click on Google Drive. If this is your first time connecting Vimeo with Google Drive, Vimeo will now ask you to sign in and authorize access. A new window or tab will open, prompting you to sign in to your Google account if you're not already signed in. Enter your Google account details as you normally would. After that, Google will show you an authorization screen explaining what Vimeo is requesting permission to do. Typically, this includes viewing and accessing files in your Drive so it can import them as needed. Take a moment to read through the permissions so you're comfortable with what you're allowing. When you're ready to proceed, click to allow or authorize access. This is a one-time setup for that Google account, and you can always manage or revoke access later from your Google account settings if you change your mind. Once you've granted permission, Vimeo and Google Drive will be linked, and you'll be taken back to the Vimeo interface. Now, instead of seeing just your computer's file picker, you'll see a Google Drive file browser appear. This lets you navigate through your folders and files in Drive, just like you would if you were in Google's own interface. Browse to the folder where your video file is stored. If you have a lot of files, it can help to organize your Drive ahead of time so your videos are easy to find. When you locate the video you want to upload to Vimeo, click on that file to select it, then confirm your choice, usually by clicking a button like Select or Choose. Vimeo will now start importing the video file directly from Google Drive into your Vimeo account. You'll see an upload or import progress indicator on the screen. Once the import finishes, Vimeo will process the video, and from there you can add a title, description, and any other settings you need, just like with a regular upload. And that's all there is to it. You've connected Vimeo to Google Drive and imported a video without having to download anything to your computer.